so we in the kitchen today, as you guys can see. I don't know. Yeah, so today I'm gonna look for some shrimp and potato. Call them Irish, but other people, some people call them potato. So yeah, so that we're gonna do today. So we can cook a one pot meal, and that means that everything I fit in a one pot. So that's why I say one pot meal. But so now I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I'm gonna be using to prepare this one pot meal. You see me, I say? Yeah, so these are the seasonings I'm gonna be using. You got the parsley right there, you got the garlic, and you got all-purpose season, you got all-purpose season. These are two all-purpose season, but they have different tastes, you know what I mean? So that's why I use both of them. And right here you got the honey gold Irish / potato. We're gonna cut them up, dice them up and all that. Next we got the cheddar cheese. Got both of them. Mild and medium. You can use anyone. You can use any one of those, but I just choose to get them separate. So you got the mild and you got the medium. And then right here you got them pasta. These are pretty good. About 3 of them. Because I'm not the only one gonna be eating this food. And then we got the butter right here. 1 stick of butter. I mean, so you know when you're the back home, you go shop and your grandmother tell you buy 1 stick of butter. Yeah, gonna use 1 stick of butter. Yeah, so those are everything I'm gonna be using. Oh yeah, and I got the shrimp right here, they're thawing out, so I gotta leave these in the water for a couple of minutes. When they finish thaw out, throw them out in a bowl, so a container, and get started. So now that I have my potatoes in a container, I make sure I wash them off first, because I'm gonna be cutting them up. I mean, some people rather peeling it and some rather eat it just with the skin, because the skin can eat. So I'm gonna leave it just like that and cut them up in dices. You can cut them up in whatever shape you prefer. Now that I've finished cutting up the potato in small dices, so now I'm gonna be checking for the shrimp so I can peel the shrimp. I got 2 containers right here, one with the shrimp and one without. So when I'm picking the tail of the shrimp, I'm gonna put it in that one so I don't mix it all up. And this shrimp is a cooked shrimp. You can eat this shrimp just like this, just add salt. I can maybe like boil it, put it in the microwave or stuff like that, and use either the cook or the uncooked. So I'm gonna take off these tails. So now I have the shrimp and the potato ready to go. Alright, it's time for the pot to go on the stove. We gotta know, don't know, the big dutchie there. Can't let it big dutchie. And a stick of butter, you see there. But yeah, we're gonna get this heated up and put the butter inside. Once the butter inside, that's when we're gonna throw in our potato Irish. And we're gonna let that stick for maybe like 10 minutes or 50 minutes on a low fire. I'm doing this so you can dissolve faster. So now I'm gonna add in the potatoes. After you add in the butter and then the potatoes, then you're gonna put in your season, which I just did. So you can see all the season on the potato. Then you're gonna give it a mix. And let it stay for 10 to 15 minutes or maybe less. Just keep testing, like get a fork and test the potatoes. So now we are moving on to the pasta. This thing is pretty easy. I mean, all you gotta do is get a pot, put some water in and some butter, and mix and mix and mix. Pour this in, then mix and mix. And plus, the ingredients is right on the back of the packet, so it's pretty easy. Pretty easy, tastes pretty good. So I'm waiting on the water to get a little bit hot. Meanwhile, this right here is bubbling up. I'm getting a little heated up. With this, you gotta keep on stir. Cause the minute you stop, it's gonna get stick to the bottom and burn. And you don't want it, so you're gonna keep on stir and stir and stir until it's finished. Pretty easy. So now that the pasta is all done, I'm gonna turn that off. Take it off that stove. Okay, you don't want to keep burning, so you take it off that stove and put it on a stove that wasn't on, so it can stay there and get cool. Again, so now everything is almost to get done. I mean, after the Irish and get soft, we throw the shrimp inside, and now I'm gonna put in some seasoning. This seasoning right here, chipotle. You can pronounce the word, but yeah, you gotta put in some chipotle inside. It's not hot, but it have a little, like, to me it smells like flavor. You can have a little burnish in it, but it's not hot. And I think that's to give this a good taste. I mean, so then go ahead, pour some more in. Not too much because it's already salt, so just for the flavor. Yeah, and as you guys can see, cheese getting melted with the shrimp. Looking nice. The sun is shining from outside straight into my pot. That's a blessing. I wish you would say, hey, food that tastes good. But yeah, food looking good, food looking great. Give it a couple more minutes and we're ready. So after this all done, I'm gonna sprinkle some parsley on top, as I said, for the flavor, or maybe for decoration, or be creative. Yeah. So as you guys can see, I'm now sprinkling parsley. So yeah, everything almost done. So I'm just here chilling back, waiting on them things of the finish now. Pot cooking, come and hungry down like crazy. Everybody knows I'm hungry. But don't worry, new song coming to the channel. But yeah, so as soon as that done, I'm gonna be presenting myself with a plate. I'm gonna present myself with a plate. One of my subscribers leave a comment here on my last video, cooking video, says you want to see the presentation of the food, and yeah, that's a good one. So any other video that I'm going to be putting up on my channel pertaining to food, cooking or whatever, I'm going to make sure to present to you guys so you guys can see how it looks. Good news. Now everything is done. Yep, your boy don't cook, boy never bust no sweat, cause I think all it take a couple minutes, bro. So everything is done. So now it's not time to present you guys with the love of dish. Yeah, so I'm gonna present this dish right now. So give me a couple minutes. Here you guys have it. Well done. Shrimp potato. Hashtag one pot meal. Yeah, your boy Triple can do him thing, you know what I mean? Hey, The kitchen is all about being creative. Once you have a mind that creative, anything possible. But guess what? I'm not done yet. Watch me do. Go in my fridge. Got salad right here. See? I got salad. I'm gonna take some out. Look, right on the side. Look, right on the side. I'm doing this right in front of you guys right now. Look. That. Look. Mustard, honey, and rice. Bam. Look at that. Come on, come on. Well presentable meal. And this all from your boy TripleLL. Well present. So what? We're ready for some food. Who want me mail them some food? Just comment below. Just comment below. Mail me some. I'll make sure you get your plate. Just comment in the comment section. Say mail me some. And you get your one the next day. Come and make sure ship it express. Yeah? Welch, mango, pine, something, but it tastes really good. See that? It's a boy coming from your boy TripleLL TV. I don't know. It's a female. Don't let a man tell and say he can't cook. This was too easy for him to say he can't cook. So if you want something, tell him go watch TripleLL TV and learn. Right? So now you guys see that I'm all done. My food look banging, smelling banging, tastes wonderful. Yeah. So now you guys can, now you guys see that your boy TripleLL is a great chef. So yeah, cook for the ladies. I mean, yeah, I'm just kidding. But yeah, thanks you guys for watching. I don't know TripleLL TV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your boy channel. And to tell a friend, to tell a next friend, to tell his friend before the next friend. Subscribe to my channel. And yeah, and if you guys think I did a good job, comment below and leave a big like. So if you guys want to see me like cook more, create more stuff, just comment below. Any food, any preparation, anything, just comment below and let me know. Thank you guys for watching again. Thank you guys for clicking that like button. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. And all of my subscribers, them big up on yourself. Have a blessed day. One love, peace. Coming from your boy TripleLL TV. I'm out. Represent mad. Head no good. Boy, I made good.